Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix HP laptop keyboard not working or typing. If your HP laptop keyboard is not working or is not typing properly, the issue is usually caused by a corrupted keyboard driver, outdated Windows updates, incorrect settings, or sometimes a minor system glitch. In most cases, you do not need to replace the keyboard immediately because this problem can often be fixed with simple troubleshooting steps. Follow the steps carefully and do not skip any step. First, connect an external keyboard or mouse to your HP laptop. This is important because if your built-in keyboard is completely unresponsive, you will still be able to control your laptop and perform the troubleshooting steps easily. Now, click on the Start menu and search for Device Manager, then open it. Device Manager allows you to manage all hardware drivers installed on your system. Here, click on the Keyboard section. You will see your laptop keyboard driver listed, usually named Standard PS2 Keyboard. Then right-click on the keyboard driver and select Uninstall Device. When a confirmation box appears, click Uninstall again. This step removes the current keyboard driver, which may be corrupted or not functioning properly. After that, close everything and restart your PC. When your laptop turns back on, Windows will automatically detect the missing keyboard driver and reinstall a fresh copy. This alone fixes the issue in many cases. Now open the Start menu again and click on Settings. Then click on Windows Update from the left side. Keeping your system updated is very important because Microsoft often releases fixes for hardware-related issues. Next, click on Install All to download and install any pending updates. Wait until the update process is fully completed. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Here, click on Optional Updates. Now select Driver Updates. You may see additional keyboard, chipset, or system driver updates listed here. Check the box for all available driver updates and then click on Download and Install. Installing the latest drivers ensures that your keyboard works smoothly with the current version of Windows. Once all updates are installed, restart your laptop again. After restarting, test your keyboard and check if it is typing properly. If the keyboard still does not work, check accessibility settings and turn off filter keys, then try a hard reset by holding the power button for 15 seconds. If none of these steps fix the problem, then the issue may be hardware related and you should consider contacting HP support or visiting an authorized service center for further inspection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.